ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्री भवानी शंकराय नमः। श्रीमात्रे नमः। दक्षिणास्य समारंभा शंकराचार्य मध्यमा अस्मदाचार्य पर्यंता स्मर्या गुरु परंपरा। श्रुति स्मृति पुराणानाम आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शंकरलोक शंकरम्। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। परिज्ञानाश्रम श्री गुरु शंकर परिज्ञानाश्रम शंकर सद्गुरु केशव वामन कृष्ण पांडुरंग आनंद परिज्ञान गुरु सद्यो जात शंकर सद्गुरु। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ओम सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। नमस्कारू. तुमक सर्वांक आमगल्या आईच्या ह्या आत्मबल सेशनांतू सहर्ष स्वागत. आईचे आत्मबल सेशन is on Satvik Ahar, back to our roots. Satvik Ahar म्हणारी आमका सर्वांक केन्नाय मनान दिसता की कसलो नमुना आहार घेवयेक बा. Because we all know that we are what we eat. आमगल्या शास्त्रांतू आमगल्या सनातन धर्माचे संस्कारय आमक सांगतात कसलो नमुन्याचे जेवण जेवंका कसलो नमुन्याचे अन्न खावंका म्हणून. भगवद गीतेन सुद्धा कृष्णाने 6 चॅप्टरांतू 17 श्लोकू युक्ताहार विहारस्य युक्त चेष्टस्य कर्मसु युक्त स्वप्नावबोधस्य योगो भवति दुःखः. To be freed from dukkha, from sorrow, and to live a life with yoga, in the practice of yoga, the most important thing is yukta ahar is what he speaks about first. Yukta ahar जावंका, the right diet. मागीर मुखारी विहार आणि स्वप्न, right amount of sleep, right amount of activity आणि ताज विशयान सांगता. जाल्यार प्रथम पहिला he speaks about yukta ahar, which is very important. That is why it is important. मुखारी तशीच इथं 17 अध्यायांतू सांगता आहारस्वापि सर्वस्य त्रिविधो भवति प्रियः यज्ञस्तपस्तथा दानं तेषां भेदमिमं शृणु. This is from the 17th chapter, the 7th श्लोक. हांतु त्या श्लोकांत 3 नमुन्याचे डायट्स सांगता. सात्विक, राजसिक आणि तामसिक. सात्विक डायट कशें आसता, राजसिक डायट कशें आसता आणि तामसिक कशें आसता. Because it all depends upon how we behave, how we conduct our lives, depends on the kind of food that we eat. So let us take this discussion forward and learn about what exactly is Satvik Ahar, and let's go back to our roots. To take us forward, we have today with us a very eminent panel of speakers, and this discussion will be moderated by none other than Savna Sadanand Ma'am. Sadanand Ma'am is a hotel management graduate from the Bombay Dadar Catering College and subsequently the Oberoi School of Hotel Management in New Delhi. He worked as a chef with the Oberoi hotels in Mumbai and Delhi, and in fact has worked in 6 countries in his active 40-year working career. He presently owns and runs a travel and tour operations and also manages the Tata AIA and Star Health Insurance portfolios. To add, he also conducts conversational English classes. So I now call upon Savnar Ma'am to take this discussion forward by introducing the other eminent speakers on the panel. Over to you, Sadanand Ma'am.
Jai Shankar. Thank you so much. Lord Krishna in Bhagavad Gita, thousands of years ago, in the 17th Adhyaya, number 8, had said, and I quote, Ayu Sattva Balarogya Sukha Priti Vivardhana Rasya Snigdha Sthira Ritya Ahara Sarva Prita Priya. This basically means that the people operating from a mode of goodness, which is the good vritti or attitude, always value health and happiness. Hence, they prefer sattvic ahara that includes an optimal balance of liquids, juices, fats, thereby maintaining a stable diet, which in turn keeps our heart healthy. Sattvic ahara, what is it? A sattvic diet includes foods that are light and healthy. Sattvic foods are thought to increase energy, happiness, calmness, and mental clarity. In practice, that means eating things that are vegetarian, nutritious, and hence obviously tasty. I would now like to introduce and welcome Meera Balsavar Pachi, who is the youngest of the Heble family, born and brought up in Bangalore. Meera Balsavar Pachi had started to learn music at a very young age. She learned from her parents, Rama and Sundar, and also her eldest sister, Radha Sujil. Her keen interest in badminton saw that she represented Karnataka state. Whether it was religious or cultural programs, her participation was always wholehearted. She is not only a well-known singer, but also a composer. Meera Pachi is a woman of many talents. She is regularly invited for bridal makeups, weaves unusual floral garlands, venis and chikli for our Lord Bhavani Shankar, tailoring, painting and embroidery, and some of her are her hidden talents. She is also well known for her delicious Amchi cuisine. Jai Shankar. Hello, Meera Pachi. How are you?
Fine. Thank you, Sadanand, for inviting me for this program. तू कशें आसा?
हांव हुशार आसा पाचे. बँगलोर कशें आसा सगळं? आतां तूं बँगलोर पावल्या खंय नवें?
भाई जोर पावस.
ओहो, वय आसो. पाचे आज आमकां तूं कले एक चांग एक वग्गी क्विक रेसिपी कले सांगू जातलें वे?
हय सांगता पळय. आज हम अडे म्हणून एक साउथ इंडियन ब्रेकफास्ट आयटम तयार करता आसा. बहुत न्यूट्रिशियस आणि हाय प्रोटीन. मुख्य म्हळ्यार चड वेळ घालना. आता हांव दाखयता, कोण दाखयता. चा फिलिंगस है.
ओके पाचे.
जय शंकर सगळ्यांक. हांव बळसावर नीरू पाची. आज हांव सकाळी ब्रेकफास्टाचे खाण करता आसा. हाजे नाव अडे म्हणून. हे एक साउथ इंडियन डिश आणि हांव तू जाय जाल्यार कलकले सामग्री म्हणून सांगता. बॉइल्ड राईस, उकड तांदूळ 1 वाटी, असल्या वाटीने 1 वाटी, आणि सुरई तांदूळ रॉ राईस 1 वाटी, 3 सुकी मिरसांगो आणि 1 टेबल स्पून कोथंबरी धनिया, 2 टेबल स्पून सॉल अशी उडीद, 2 टेबल स्पून चणा डाळी, 2 टेबल स्पून मूग, 2 टेबल स्पून तोरी डाळी आणि एक सुमार 1 इंच कुडको आल्ले. हातून आमकां जाय जाल्यार कुळीतू एनी अदर धान्य चणो कसले ऍड करून घेवेद. आणि थोडे कल म्हळ्यार आमकां जाय जाल्यार न्यूट्रिशन वॅल्यू हाजे खातीर जावन आमी थोडेचे मशिंगा पालो और एनी भाजी पालक तेवें घालयेद. जाल्यार आज हांव हे इतली सामग्री घालया आणि हे तिंबोवन दवरता. तिंबोवन अबाउट 4 to 5 hours दवरतर की जायद ना जाल्यार राती तिंबोवन सकाळी वाटचे. वाटील तसा सुद्धा काढयेद. थोडी सोय जाय जाल्यार कांतून घालून घेवयेद. आणि ते पळ काडचे वेळार करबा पालो चडतो करबा पालो सपोर कोण शिंदून नावे सगळो सुद्धा घालून पळे काडचे. आता हांव सुरवेक तिंबोवन दवरलेले आसा ते हांव वाटता. आता हांव हे वाटता आणि हे वाट्टिले कशें का म्हळ्यार नय जावच्या नजर खरखरीची म्हळ्यार साधारण रव्या पशी चिक्के चड खरखरी कोण वाटका ना जाल्यार भोव कुटकुटी येता ती पोळे. त्या खातीर पोळे न्हय दोड्डकय न्हय इन बिटवीन कोण काडचे. आता हांव वाटता. हे वाटील पीठ सुमार इतली खरखरी आसता, इतली खरखरीची आसता आणि इतले दाट आसता. हातून रुचे तकीत मीठ घालचे. करवापाल घालचे. मागीर भाजी सांगिल्ले ते भाज्यो पालक कट करून नावे मशिंगा पालो त्यावेळी शिंदून मिक्स करूयेद. जाय जाल्यार कॅबेज सुद्धा मिक्स करून घेता ती कशी करूयेद. पीठ रेडी करून दवरून घेतल्या. हाका आमशें कामून ना, फर्मेंट जावंक कामून ना. पीठ वाटचे आणि ताजा सुद्धा काडयेद. तरी आमशें कामून दिसल्यार राती वाटून दवरून सकाळी काडयेद. प्रिफरेबली वाटील तसाक काडचें चांग. आणि हांवें तवो हुमकोवन दवरला. आतां हाजेर पातलायतना भोव पातळ पोळशें न्हय और भोव दाट दोड्डकय न्हय, मिडियम पातळ चिके पातळशेंच करूनची पातळांचे. चितूची तेल घालचे. मध्यंतरी थोडे तेल घालचे. चिकेची शिजत येईल म्हणजे कळता. चिके कलर बिंगड जायना पुढे परतूचे. सुरवेक पण पातलायतना चिके मिडियम उजार घालारी बरें. मागीर हें करूयेद. जाय जाल्यार चरचरी करूयेद, नावे सॉफ्ट काडयेद. आनी खातना चटणी जाय जाल्यार चटणी घेवयेद, वाटयेद. एनी चटणी, कोथंबरी पाल्या चटणी, आल्या गोजू खंयच्याय नमन्या चटणी करूयेद. टोमॅटो चटणी करूयेद. न्हय तरी जाल्यार आमगेले युजल आसताची पिट्टी चटणी त्या लावनूय खावयेद. अवश्य पडना इतमळा हात मिरसांग आल्लें करवें वापरलो सगळें शिलमी ती विंगड एक चटणी म्हणून जाय पडना लोणी लावून खायला. ट्रेडिशनली हाका थोडी धंय तन मिरसांग मीठ आनी लावून खातात. आतां आमगेलें सात्वीक ब्रेकफास्ट रेडी आसा अडे. आनी हें आज हांवें मुळगा पुडी म्हणटात ती एक नमुन्याची पिठी चिटणी आनी ही युजल आमची गेले पिठी चिटणी. हाका तूप आनी हाका तिळ्ळेलें तेल घालून रेडी करून दवरल्या.
फूड हे सात्विक आहार म्हणल्यार एक नॉर्म्सचे आसताले एशियंट डेजांतू जाल्यार आत्तां एक नमुने ट्रेंडशे जाल्या. तो हाच विशयान तूं कसले अभिप्राय आसले मिराबाची?
पळय आता दिसान तू न्यूक्लियर फॅमिलीसांक घरा कोणागेले हेल्प मेळना आनी फुल मील तयार करता म्हणून वेळूय मेळना पाप. सो पॅकेज फूड हाडयता ती. जाल्यार आतां तू ट्रेडिशनल मेथड्स हाडूसूर केल्या आरोग्याकय चांग बग्गी जीर्णय जाता. पळय फॉर एक्झाम्पल हल्दी दूध आमगे सानपणान तू दूध आटोवन तांतू हळदी खडेसाकर मिरया पिठी सगळं घालून दिताली खांकीक भोवची चांग म्हणून. आतां त्यांची टर्मरीक लाटे म्हणून रेस्टॉरंटान तू सर्व करता ती आनी आमी वचून एका 4 मोल दिवन घेता ती.
Now I would like to welcome Vaishnavi Kalyanpur Chande. Vaishnavi Chande ni Kalyanpur is the daughter of Vandita and Vinayanand Kalyanpur and granddaughter of Mohan and Anuradha Mankekar of Virar. Professionally, she has completed her MA in Counseling, Psychology and MBA in Human Resources. Currently, she is working as an HR manager with JBCN International School and owns her own venture, Humagination, providing customized HR services to small companies and startups. She has always been a cooking enthusiast and believed that the secret to good cooking is having a passion and love for it. As some people say, food is essential for life, so you have to eat. But she believes in saying food is essential for life, so better make it good every time and enjoy life. Her father has been an inspiration along with her grandparents. Her passion for cooking and food finally pushed her to start her own YouTube channel called Therapy for My Taste Buds. Her husband Neeraj, who is also an animation and graphic professional, plays a very important role in this venture. Shooting and capturing at the right angles, lighting during shoots, editing the video is what he brings in and helps in beautifying her recipes. And not to forget, yes, her 4-year-old daughter, Shania, also loves to help her during the video. Hi Vaishnavi, how are you?
I'm fine, Mom. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for inviting me. I'm really excited to be here.
Yes, same here. We are also very excited to have you with us.
Thank you.
So now I wanted to ask you a question.
Sure.
Can you tell me as to how we Amchis have adopted and adapted other cuisines from different regions following Sattvic norms?
I feel as Amchis, we are all very enthusiastic about food in general. And I'm sure everybody in our houses have had these conversations ki ratri samach pot bhon jeon jaina padsude. The question that comes in is like bhai tanne kakkal le. So yeah, so we're very excited about food in general, and I think because people have traveled a lot and they have settled in different places all over India or even abroad, there is influence of food from our friends, neighbors, and the place we live in. And I think that we have adapted very easily in our lives. And not only Amchis, but I think all Indians in general always have this thing in them that they can always Indianize the kind of food. So even if we talk about Chinese actual food आम्ही खाऊं चावसगला, it's going to be difficult, but what we get in India is something that we always like, that Indian twist देऊन.
Right. Very true. Very true. So now, can you show us something quick and easy snack for us, Vaishnavi?
Sure, ma'am. The first recipe that I have planned for you is a quick go-to kind of a evening snack, or a snack which can be taken in our tiffins for the 11 o'clock hunger kind of a snack. It's the one that I have learned from my mother-in-law, and it's a specialty in Nagpur. So it's called Satutsa Peet. So let's start.
Hello everyone. So today we are going to make Satutsa Peet. Now everybody would wonder what Satu is, or Sattu is for that matter. It is basically wheat and chana dal or putana dal. Some people know it as putana dal. And a combination of these two ingredients with a little flavoring, which is jeera. So when we take gehu or wheat and roast it well, and you mix it with roasted chana dal, you mix it into a combination in a particular proportion, and the health benefits for it you all would know. Wheat is a good source of iron, calcium and vitamin B6. Chana dal is rich source of folic acid. The combination of this makes a good snack which gives you good energy. It's a good evening snack as well. So let's learn how to make Sattu Peet first, and then how to convert it into a good evening snack. For Satutsa Peet, we are going to roast gehu, that is wheat, and dalia, that is roasted chana dal, or it is also called as putana dal, the one that we use in making chullas. And one more ingredient which is going to be flavoring it is jeera, cumin seeds. The hair roast kornu ami taj powder roaches. So सूर करूया. फर्स्ट एक कढाई घेऊन तांदूळ गहू भाजून घेऊया. While roasting, you have to make sure that you are roasting on high flame and roasting continuously and stirring continuously. Start seeing that this has started getting roasted and spluttering. The color has started changing. Roast जायना पड़ा. ठीक है, ठंड करूँगा. तवर का. Now we will roast the putana dal. These are already roasted ones, so it won't take too much time. परमळी जावसरी हे सम रोस्ट करून मागीर थंड करून ताची पावडर करचेस. 3 tablespoons of cumin seeds, jeera. तावे सम रोस्ट करून we have to mix it with the other 2 ingredients and powder them when it is in room temperature. This is lightly roasted and it's good to go. डाळ्यो आणि जिरे थंड जायना पडे ताका प्लेन फाइन पावडर जावसरी वाटून घेवपा. राइट, यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज अ sieve it off so that you get a fine powder. This powder, once made, can be stored in an airtight container for more than a month. Sattu as a powder is also available in the markets as a packed food. But when we are talking about unadulterated food, it it is always better to make it at home. For now, I'm just measuring around 2 cups of sattu powder to convert it into a beautiful evening snack. To begin with, take some oil. You can use any oil of your choice. This tastes better with groundnut oil too. Some mustard seeds. Once they start spluttering, add some hing and then add the powder. At this stage, just turn off the flame. Let the oil mix well with this powder. Add some salt, black salt, kala namak, some chaat masala, amchur powder, red chili powder, and some powdered sugar. The quantities of chaat masala, amchur, chili powder or sugar powder can be altered according to your taste. I have used around 1 tablespoon of chili powder, a tablespoon of amchur, a tablespoon of chaat masala, a tablespoon of sugar powder, and salt according to the taste. Just mix it all together and your sattu powder is ready. Pith ready झालाय. त्या पिठाच्यात करच कला. You have to simply eat it with these healthy cucumbers. Some sticks of fresh cucumber. This can be a go-to snack for the evening. It's something very healthy for the kids as well, they enjoy it. You can also take this in a tiffin box where you pack the powder separately and some cucumber slices or sticks. Just dip it, coat the cucumber with the powder and enjoy.
Wow, that is something that I definitely would incorporate in my diet, Vaishnavi. That was wonderful. Thank you. Vaishnavi, what do you think a sattvic diet should contain?
Sattvic food is something that includes sprouts, whole grains, fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, leafy vegetables, and millets, and appropriate fats like ghee. Salads, soups which are freshly prepared and not packed or tinned or canned kind of food is sattvic. The food that is healthy, gives us a lot of nutrition, makes us more healthy, and also takes care of our taste buds, is something that makes us happy, is sattvic according to me.
Yeah, I agree with you totally. At Mirapachi, तुगल ओपिनियन तू न्यूट्रिशियस मील म्हळ्यार कसले जातले?
न्यूट्रिशियस म्हळ्यार आज हांव जेवणाक फुल मीलाक बिसिबेळे हुळी अन्न म्हणून करतास. इट्स अ मैसूरियन डिश आणि हातून हाजो अर्थ सांगता. बिसी म्हळ्यार हुन, बेळे म्हळ्यार दाळी, हुळी म्हळ्यार चिंचांब, अन्न म्हळ्यार शीत आणि हातून मस्त वेजिटेबल्स घालून न्यूट्रिशियस जावन खातीर आणि टेस्टाक भोव चांग म्हणून करतास. जाल्यार आज हांव इन्स्टेड ऑफ रायस आय एम मेकिंग विथ लापशी. सो हांव कोण दाखयता पळयतवा.
आता आमी बिसिबेळे भात कशें करचें म्हणून पळोवया. नॉर्मली आमी बिसिबेळे भात करतना शीत आनी दाळ यूज करतात. एक वेरिएशन आसो म्हणून आज हांवें लापशी शिजोवन दवरून घेतल्या. दाळी आनी लापशी शिजयल्या लापशी 1 कप रादर 1 वाटी आणि डाळी 1.5 वाटी शिजोवन दवरून घेतल्या आणि हातून घालची व्हेजिटेबल्स बीन्स कॅप्सिकम कॅरेट्स मशिंगा सांग कॉलीफ्लॉवर जाय जाल्यार शेंगा सुद्धा घालयेद चिंचां बाकोळू मीठ रुचेक हळदी पिठी हिंगू सगळे जाय पण नाक दगड फूल म्हणटा ती नावे रॉक फ्लावर की कलकी आणि दालचिनी आणि करबावा पालो आणि उंचारी गार्निश करूक कोथंबरी पालो आणि सुकी मिरसांग. आता हांव थोडे तूप आणि तेल मिक्स करून दवरलेले आशिल्ले आणि तू फण्णाक घालता. 2 टेबलस्पून तेल आणि 1 टेबलस्पून तूप. तेल आणि तूप होऊन जायना पुढे दालचिनी घालची आणि हे दगड फूल घालचे, सुकी मिरसांग घालची, करबावा पान घालचो, ते भाजून याना पुढे व्हेजिटेबल्स घालचो. घालून रुचे तकीत ते व्हेजिटेबल्स मात्र थोड्यांची मीठ घालायचे. समज ताण घेऊन भांकून दवरता. थोडे उड्डा घालून भांकून दवरता. आता हांतू हांवें हिंगाची उड्डा करून दवरून घेतल्या. चढतो हिंग घालयेद. आता व्हेजिटेबल्स शिजल्या ती समज शिजना पुढे तांतू चिंचां बाकोळ घालचो. चिंचांब सुमार 1 निंबू अशी हॉड उंड्याचे चिंचांब उद्दा खोळ कोण दवरून घेऊन तातूंत घालचे आणि बिसीबेळेक कशें म्हळ्यार चिक चडतेय उदकांत करता जाता. कित्याक म्हळ्यार बिसीबेळे पिठयेन तूं चण्या दाळ आशिल्ली ती तांय दाट दाट जात वता खूण करता करता तांची चडतेय उदक घालून दवरचें. हांवें आतां 3 कप उदक घाल्या तांतूं आणि 1 कप चिंचां बाकोळ घाला. हें चिके खतखत येना फुडें चिंचां बाकोळाचे ते बरी साणी वचका त्या वचना फुडें तांतूं लापशी आनी शिजयिल्ली दाळी मिक्स करचे. हाका खतखत येवसरी बिसीबेळे पिट्टी कशी करचे म्हूण सांगता हांव. हाका 1 वाटी धनिया आणि अर्ध वाटी चण्या डाळी, 2 pieces of 1 inch length दालचिनी आणि 1/4 टीस्पून मेथी, 1/4 टीस्पून जीरा आणि 4 लवंग. इतले सेपरेटली ऍक्च्युअली मेनली कल म्हळ्यार मेथी आणि जीरा विंगड भाजून घेवंका आणि सुकी मिरसांग रुचेतकीत अराउंड 10 पुणी जाय जाता बॅडगी बनू येता. सो ते तितले भाजून जायना फुडें आनी चण्या दाळी कोथंबरी हुन हारून घेवन वोटूची पावडर करून बॉटलांतू स्टोर करून दवरून घेवया. नाही जाल्यार भायर बिसीबेळे पिठी मेळ्ळारी तांय सुद्दां घाली येता. हांव नॉर्मली बिसीबेळे पिठी अशी करून दवरून घेता. आतां उदकाक खतखत आयलो हातूं लापशी घालचें. सम चाण घेवन हातूं शिजयिल्ली दाळी घालची. रुचेतकीत मीठ घालचे. ह्या इतल्याक हांव सांगीत पिटयेचे सुमार 3 स्पून पिठी घालची. चाण घेवन सम खतखत येवचे खातीर धांकून दवरचें. आज सम खतखत आयलो. वा परमळत आसा ती. हे कशें म्हळ्यार कन्नड जान म्हणटा ती की बिसीबेळे केळी पानार तरी वाडल्यारी हेकड तेकड धांवका म्हूण सांगता ती. तशें करून ते सुरवेक पातळ करका मागीर वता वता तें दाट जाता. आतां कडेरी एक टेबल स्पून तूप इफ रिक्वायर्ड जाय जाल्यार घाल्यारी परमळी जाता म्हणून. पळयात आतां दाट जाता अशें पळयात. मागीर कडेरी कोथंबरी पालो घालचो. चाळून घेवचें आनी हे सर्व करतना बुंदी और धंय आनी तवशीं घालून एक पचडी करून ताजे सांगात सुद्दां दिवया. आतां हांव हाजेरी बुंदी घालता. आनी उंचल्यान थोडो कोथंबरी पालोय घालता. आतां आमगेले बिसीबेळे भात तयार आसा.
वा भोव लायक जाले, भोव गम जावपाचे. आणि गोमटो बंडूय आयला. फर्स्ट क्लास. आता मीरापची म्हाका सांग एक, हे सात्विक आहार म्हणल्यारी प्रत्येक परबांक विंगड सात्विक आहार काम करता ती, आणि सीझन टू सीझन विंगड जाता. हँग कशी केले हाजी विचार सांग तू आमकां.
आत पळय, सीझन टू सीझन म्हळ्यारी आमी रथोत्सवा वेळारी भोवची आमकां धग आसता. धग्गा वेळारी आनी कोस्टल क्लायमेटान तूं कसलेय वेजिटेबल्स चड मेळना ती, आनी पावसाळीन तूं तेमे कसलेय चड मेळूंक वांट जाता. सो फुडल्या काळान तूं गोमटें करून मग्गे दुड्डी सगळे हँग करून दवरताले. आतांय तशीची पावसाळीन तूं वेजिटेबल्स चड मेळना म्हणून हे मग्ग्याच कोदेल म्हणाली, दुदयेच खट्ट म्हणाली असली कले करतात जेवणाक. आनी मुख्य म्हळ्यारी तुगेले एकल म्हणटा ती बा रथोत्सवा वेळार धग्गा खातीर जावन भोव जान सफर जाता म्हणून तांचे खातीर तिळा उदक दितात ती, थंड तिळा उदक 1 घंटा 12 घंटा इतले दितात ती जेवणा फुडें. तावळी ते तंपू इतलें हाय जाता आमकां भोव लायक जाता. आणि तशीची 4.5 घंटारी च्या कॉफी म्हणकेची कस आळू सर्व करता ती, ते जीर्णा भोव चांग म्हणून हे सात्विक आहारान तूं येता. आणि त्या मात्र न्ही आमगेले जीर्ण शक्ती खातीर म्हणून सुमार मेडिसिनल व्हॅल्यूज असतात न्ही, तशें करून ते करतात ती. आणि थंडी दिसान तूं संक्रांती वेळारी तोच तिळा उंडे आणि तिळगोळ करून दिता ती. ते थंडी दिसान तूं गरम जावन ऍक्ट जाता. तशें करून हे सीजनल हे पळय तेवें जाता. आणि हळदी पानात ये वेळारी इट्स व्हेरी गुड फॉर हेल्थ ऑल्सो. हळद कशी आमी यूज करता ती तशीच हळदी पाने तशीची. सो ते दिवस आमी पातोळ्यो करतना हळदी पानान तूं ते पीठ आनी चून दवरून वी बॉयल इट, स्टीम इट रादर. तशीची चवथीक जालें मस्त नमुने रांदप, एक राशीतलें खाण सगळें आसता. बट हळदी पानाचे गुण कल म्हळ्यार आमगेले ढंग किरीन तूं सुद्दां वी पुट हळदी पान मस्त घालता ती. इता म्हळ्यार नारळा रस पडटा ताजे खातीर जावन एक परमळाकय जाता आनी आमकां ते जीर्णाकय चांग म्हणून हळदी पान घालतात.
वाह, thank you so much Pache, wonderful tips and very great information for all of us.
Thank you.
Ata, so basically what we are trying to say is that Sattvic Ahar need not only to be in traditional foods, which maybe many consider as boring. Vaishnavi, what do you think about this and what have you planned for us next?
So true. Sattvic doesn't really have to be boring. People these days go for crash diets and they miss out on eating so much. But the same vegetables, the ones which bring health to us, can be used in an interesting recipe and it can surely appeal your taste buds. So the next recipe that we are making is using these tasty, healthy vegetables, a lot of them actually, and making tikkis out of it. And we will also be learning 2 quick, interesting chutneys with that.
The second recipe that we are going to learn today is a good evening snack, can also be part of your lunch someday, or also can be a good dinner. So basically we are going to make a veg tikki chaat. Simple vegetables. आम्ही कॉलीफ्लावर, कॅरेट, वटाणो, वल्ल वटाणो, बॉटल गोड, ओट्स पावडर, फ्लॅक्सीड पावडर, अळशी बीज पावडर, salt, lemon, jeera, some green chilies and mint. It is simple ingredients which are very easily available. We are just making tikkis out of it for a good evening healthy snack. You can either grate carrots or take small pieces and put it in a blender, and the carrots are ready. Next we are taking cauliflowers. in some green chilies, some jeera, and a few mint leaves. Don't make it into a paste. We just have to have this texture. Next, we're using bottled water, dudhi or gardudhi. So we are just going to squeeze it out because it has a lot of water content that will make it difficult to make tikkis. So we're just squeezing it out a little bit. This water need not be thrown. It has a lot of nutritional value. So you can surely use this to make your chapatis or rotis. Some lemon juice, ek limbu achar, rasgulla. Mix the other vegetables. This is flaxseed powder. Flax seeds contain a lot of nutritional value. Today I am adding this almost 2 to 3 tablespoons, around 3 tablespoons of oats powder, and salt as per taste. Mix it all together. If you feel that it is a little soft and the texture needs to change, add a little more oats powder. Tikkis are goat coach khatira. We are going to take a little oats, add some flaxseed powder, around 3 tablespoons of oats, 2 tablespoons of flaxseed powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix it together and this becomes a coat for our tikkis. Take a spoonful. Coat it with the powder. Now we'll make a quick sweet chutney. Around 8 to 10 seedless dates, green chili, lemon juice of 1 whole lemon, rock salt for taste, a spoonful of jeera and some water. And the sweet tamarind chutney is ready. Now we are making a green coriander and mint chutney. So take some mint, kothambari pala, or mango, 2 to 3 green chilies, jeera and rock salt. Add some water and make the chutney. And our beautiful green chutney is ready. Dry roast the tikkis. This recipe may look a little time consuming, but if you make these chutneys on a weekend and keep them in the fridge, and you already have oats powder or flaxseed powder powdered in airtight containers as a part of your pantry, this is a quick one too. You can also cover and cook it for 2 minutes. Our tikki chaat is ready. We're going to serve it with mint, coriander chutney, and some tamarind chutney. To add some crunch, some pomegranate seeds, and this healthy chaat is ready for you.
Wow, Vaishnavi, that was awesome. Excellent. Now, tell me something. How taste buds are stimulated by tangy and sweet chutneys and sauces? What are the health benefits?
Whether we are eating a dosa, a paratha, maybe pulao, naan, a little chutney on the side lifts up the entire meal. I hope you agree. So
Absolutely.
chutneys which are fresh, homemade, and have a lot of ingredients that help in digestion of food. So it not only adds flavor and color to our food, but the ingredients which are used, uh, like mint or coriander, are packed with vitamins, minerals, or antioxidants, and they also provide a lot of fiber to our diet. Like even in the previous video, we've used raw mango in the chutney. So it has a lot of vitamin A, C, and E content in it. And if you ask me, ma'am, any meal, a chutney or a loncha besides is something I feel the meal is incomplete if we don't have that around. Yeah.
Waiba,
Yeah.
absolutely. Waiba. Great. Now, coming to our amchis, we are all God loving, and or we are not God fearing though. We are God loving. Malari, am sakkadan kale God chimla bari preeti. Tashichi, I would love to try something new and some sweet. Mirapachi, can you show something that is easy yet traditional, which we can try at our next festival?
फूड आमगेल सांपण अंतू आमकां गोड शिजाय म्हणून आमगेले मलगड्यांक आमी उपद्र दिसना वगी वगी फास्ट म्हणून रुला मावंडे करून दिताली. तांच्या परबा दिसांतूय तशीची दिवाळीक सगळे रुला मावंडे करतात, ती बेसन उंडोय करतात. टुडे आय एम मेकिंग रुला मावंडे, a quick recipe which you can store also for about 10 days. दवरू जाता. रुला मावंडे करून दाखयता.
वाह, तोंडात दूध दाखल ऑलरेडी येत तसं. तू करून जाण्यापुढे कसं जात किती वाटलं होतं.
आतां आमी रुला मावंडे कशें करचें म्हूण पळोवया. हाका जाय जाल्यार सामग्री कसली म्हळ्यार रुलामू, सादा रुलामू, बॉम्बे रवा, हें 3 मेजर म्हळ्यार 3 वाटी, आनी सोयी 2 वाटी कांतिली, आनी साखर 1.5 वाटी, केशर आनी याळ सगळं पिठी करून दवरून घेतल्या. त्या सुमार 1 टीस्पून, आनी काजू बी द्राक्ष कट करून दवरून घेतल्या. आनी हाका साखरे पांक करूंक सुमार 1 वाटी उदक. रुलामू आनी सोय भाजचे खातीर 2 टेबल स्पून तूप पॅनांत घालून दवरून घेतल्या. आता रुलामू तांदूळ घालून भाजून घ्यायचं. चिके सामूद जाय भाजून घ्यायचे. चिकेची बण्णू चेंज जायसरी भाजून घेवन मागीर गॅस ऑफ करचे. अशी साधारण बण्णू चिके चेंज जायना फुडें काढचे. आता साखरे पांक करचे खातीर उदकाक एक सांग्यांत घालून घेवन मागीर ही साखर उदकांत घालून करगना फुडें सुमार एक सरी पांक येना फुडें हे पांक पुरे हे रुला माछांत घालून द्राक्ष काजू बी कटकोन दवरलेले तांत घालून याळा पिठी केशरा पिठी तांत घालून एक तास भरी काण दवरता तशीच. आता हांव साखरे पांक एक सरी यो सरी चालता आसता आनी मागीर ते तांतू मिक्स करून घेता. एक सरी आयिल्ली पांक ह्या भाजी लामांतू आनी सोयेंतू घालचे. आनी समज घुमटे करून मिक्स करून घेवचे. आमतू हे याळा पिठी ही काजू बी सगळे ऍड करून घेवचे. सम मिक्स करून घेवतात गुळे नाशी घुमटें करून पुरे सम मिक्स जायसरी पळोवन सुमार एक तास भरी एक घंट भरी दवरका. ती सोयी चिके उद्दा सोडून दिता त्यावेळी उंडे बांदूक इजी जाता. सुमार 20 उंडे जातात मीडियम साइज. आता हे मिक्स करून दवरलेले मिक्सचर दवरून एक तास जाले. आता हाजाणे अशी घुमटे करून हातात थोडे तुपापश जावं लावून घेऊन उंडे बांधले आणि पुरा बांधून जाताची एक डब्यांतू स्टोर करून दवरचे. एक 8 दीस खंडीत येता. येता म्हळ्यार हांव तू सोय आशिल्ली मिती मस्त दीस म्हणून व्हरना. चेडवान आशिल्ले कडेन वगी खर्चून वता. 8 दीस येता. आतां आमगेले रुचकर रुलामा उंडे तयार आसात.
वाह पाचे हांव म्हण के तोंडा उद्दाम मात्र न्हय आतां खावका म्हूण दिसता. आतां वैष्णवी, do you have anything to beat the heat during a hot day? I'm sure all of us would love to have something very cooling and refreshing, no?
Sure, Mom. The next recipe that I've planned is exactly the one to beat the heat. We are going to make an ice cream without the cream.
Wow, without the cream and ice cream?
Yes.
How is that?
Let's see it. Let's surely go and see it.
The next recipe that we are making is a healthy dessert. So, when you think of a watermelon, everyone knows that the water content in it itself is something that everyone likes. Watermelon has amazing freshness, and the dessert that we are going to make is light, a ice cream without the cream. So, we are making a watermelon sorbet. The next recipe is watermelon sorbet. Simple 3-ingredient recipe. Watermelon, honey and lemon. That's it. First, আমি watermelon cut করব, seeds त्याचे काढून एक 4 तासा खातीर फ्रीजरांतू क्यूब्स दवरता. Simple. Watermelon, honey and lemon. And tinni blend koru are always ready. These watermelons have been kept in the freezer for 4 hours. Pour some honey. It's half a watermelon with around 2 tablespoons of honey and juice of a 1 full lemon. Blend it all together. Mixture is ready. Pour it in a glass container. Cover it and keep it in the freezer for next 2 hours. Our watermelon sorbet is ready. Just scoop. If it is getting hard, you can just crush it down a little bit and then scoop. Garnish it with mint leaves and it's all done. I hope you have liked all the 3 recipes. Keeping health in mind was the motto, and all the 3 recipes were planned in that manner. The ingredients were simple, the ones that you get regularly and the ones that you have at home. Same ingredients with a different twist, and finally it gives you a good healthy product. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.
Wow, that was absolutely refreshing and amazing. I could never imagine of a dish like this without the cream, yet so refreshing. Great.
Thank you.
Now tell me something, Vaishnavi. How do you find time from such a busy work schedule and still find time to cook up a hot meal for your family?
Honestly speaking, I think it's the love and passion for cooking that encourages me. Even after a tiring day, office anta niyena pada hai, cooking a good meal makes me feel happy. Somehow, trying new recipes or learning more about food, learning new recipes from my family and friends, and also see my family and friends enjoy the meal that I have made gives me a lot of satisfaction. So I think it's the passion and love that pushes me and encourages me every day.
Very good, very good. I'm very impressed.
Thank you.
Mirapachi, why do you enjoy cooking?
आमगे घर म्हणलेले एक ओपन हाऊस आशिल्ले. केन्नाय कोणेय ना कोणेय रिलेटिव्स फ्रेंड्स सगळे येताली. भायर कसले आयटम्स असती ताज्यान एक मॅनेज करून भरपूर कलेक्ट आयटम्स करून वाडटाली आमी. आनी मगेर माई मगेर आवसू तांणी पुराय सगळो दीस म्हण अशी वासरेन तूं वचचें आशिल्लें. तांणी कूक केलेलें पुरा पळोवन आमकां इंचीक उमेद येताली. सो तांकां लागीं सुमार बग शिकली हांव. आनी आतांय सुद्दां मगेर फ्रेंड्सान आयल्यारी म्हाका हें हांव कसलेंय ना कसलें करून दिवचें तांकां. कसलेंय ना कसलें खाण करून दिवचें और कसलें जेवण आपोवचें सगळें आजिकय मगेर घार तशीच चलता आसा. सो दे रिलेटिव्स एंड फ्रेंड्स लव टू कम टू माय हाऊस. आनी इतलें थांय की मगेर भजने क्लास चलता तावळ हांव कसलेंय ना कसलें आयटम करून दिता तांकां. सो दे ऑल्सो लव wait to come for the bhajan class.
So as an incentive. Incentive share. No, now I'm also I'm also extremely tempted to come over to Bangalore and have your delicacies.
Of course. Sure, yeah.
Good. Now, coming back to Vaishnavi, it may be difficult to stick to such a diet because food has to be freshly prepared. It naturally takes time. So do you have any sort of shortcuts or tips for us?
Yeah, no doubt. Sometimes it's always easy to quickly order a meal or used packed tin foods, which is easy. It's available. But when we are talking about health or we are talking about nutrition, I think home cooked fresh meals are something that we all should prefer. And no doubt it is time consuming, but I feel a little pre-preparation or pre-planning the entire week's menu can help in planning the entire week. So if you can find out time on weekends, chikechi pre-prepare kondavarlari. For example, latamgal previous recipe in Suday, we used oats powder or we used flaxseed powder. सो अशी चिटण्यो आनी पावडर्स अशें कले कोर न्हू आमगेल पॅन्ट्रीन तूं फ्रिजान तुजे रेडी आसलारी थ्रू आउट द वीक देन इट गेट्स इजी फॉर अस टू यूज दॅट अँड प्रिपेर अ फ्रेश मील लायक आमी फॉर डोसाज और इडलीज वॉट आय डू इज ओट्स आनी रवो भाजून पिट्टी करून दवरता and I use that throughout the week for breakfasts. So once I can make nice idlis out of it. A day I can make like lovely dosas out of the same powder. So little pre-preparation is what helps, is what I feel. Also maybe alle lasun paste कोण दवरता ती आमी फ्रिजान तू that can be used. और आमगेल घारा आमी ऑलवेज एक ठेचा म्हण करून दवरत जाता. सो ग्रीन चिलीज कोरिएंडर जिंजर गार्लिक हे पेस्ट करून तांतू थोड्या तेलान भाजून एक डब्यान तू दवरलारी that can be used in chutneys, dals, or so many other recipes. No doubt I know we are talking about sattvic ahar here, and onion and garlic are not considered as sattvic, but they also have their own nutritional and medicinal properties. So
absolutely
yeah.
आणि वैष्णवी
हा पाची
आम्ही भान पडले वी नेवर वेस्ट एनीथिंग वेजिटेबल साल्यो कोथंबरी पाल्ला देंटे कसलेय असल्यार आम्ही वेस्ट करना ती लायक घोसाळ्या शिरा चटणी पडला बियां तंबळी तेंडले पानां तंबळी आणि मागीर आणि कलेय जाल तर की पडल्या हांव कोथंबरी पाला देंटे हांव वेस्ट करना तशीची भाजयेची पळय तोगुदिकाचे देंटे तेवय वेस्ट करना ते ताजाणे सूप करता कोथंबरी पालस पळय ताजे रूट्स मात्र कट कोन काडून उंचले पुराय थोडो कोथंबरी पाल कांड दवरता आणि ओनली द रूट्स आय विल ग्राइंड इट with चिंचांबर आणि रेड चिलीस आणि थोडो हिंगू जाय जाल्यार थोडी मेथी भाजून घाली येता थोडेंच जिर्णाक म्हणून आणि उदक घालनाशी तांतू थोडेचे 1 or 2 tablespoons तेल घालून वाटलारी स्टोर कोण दवरू जाता तू हाका खंयच्याक म्हणटा ती सँडविचेसाक ब्रेडा लावून जाता सकाळींचे ब्रेकफास्टाक और सडनली कोणे गेस्ट आयली म्हळ्यार रसम जावं सांबार करतना 1-2 टीस्पून कोथंबरी पाल घार ना जाल्यार थोड्यांची तांतुलेंचे 1-2 टीस्पून ते सांबारान तू जर ते रस मान तू तरी काडल्यारी परमळी जाता सो दॅट यू कॅन स्टोर तशीची घोसाळ्या शीर पडला बी पुरा भाजून फ्रिजान दवरेद सडनली कोणे आयली म्हळ्यार ताज्यान तंबळी करूं जाता सो आमी कसले वेस्ट करना ती मग हांव अशें हें उदाहरण सांगलें
वय પછી માં કુગડાસસ મગલ પપ્પા માને કોર્ચ જતાલે વોટરમેલનાचे साल्यांचे दोड्डक वय ना किसून ताजे दोड्डक
फ्रूट काढना पुढे साली मात्र काढचे आणि ते मध्येच पडस त्या खिसून तांदूळ वाटून घालेद ना जाल्यार तांदळा पिठी गवा पिठी घालून सुद्धा दोड्डक करूं जाता व्हेरी टेस्टी
ते वटाण्या साल्येचे कलकी उपकरी करताला अम्मोमा
वय वटाण्या साल्यो फ्रेश चिलतावळी अशी ब्रेक केल्यारी अप्पर लेयर मात्र काढू जाता ताज्याने रांदे करूं जाता भाजी करूं जाता ती चपात्यांक सगळे
व्हेरी इंटरेस्टिंग
Yeah, so lovely. It was wonderful with so many recipes, knowledge sharing. It was fantastic. All these mouth-watering recipes, which Mirapachi and Vaishnavi have shown us, definitely proves that making a sattvic meal is not a boring task at all. It can be fun, enjoyable, yet healthy and nutritious. A sattvic meal not only helps to improve the physical, mental, spiritual, but also increases one's discipline and atmabal. I sincerely thank Mirapachi and Vaishnavi for coming here to share their expertise with us. I'm also grateful to Param Puj Satyojat Shankarashram Swamiji for giving us this wonderful opportunity to learn while doing seva. I hope this program has been inspirational, providing you with a journey of enjoyable cooking and experiences as for all of us. Thank you very much. Jai Shankar. Sabha Samapti Prarthana. Nandantu sadaka sarve vinashyantu vitushakaha avastha shambhavi mestu prasannostu kuru sada sarve bhavantu sukhinah सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखमाप्नुयात् ओम शांति शांति शांतिः नमः पार्वती पते हर हर महादेव।